Well, we're outside trying to find the fireworks, but we can't see them. Oh, I see it.
Huh?
I saw some over there.
No, we gotta see them over here.
I know, I'm saying I saw some over there. And the dog's being retarded trying to get a frog.
That's his buddy, friend.
I still don't see them. We're trying to find the fireworks, but we don't see them. We got too many dang trees in our neighborhood.
We live a sunny life.
There's the sky. I know you can't see it though. It's still thundering. I think it's gonna rain again.
I see him, Brandon.
Where?
Through the clouds, through the trees. Picture them. Yeah.
I saw light. You can only see the aftershock of it.
Ah, that's aftershock. Tank. He's actually froggy. Tank's still not gonna froggy. Froggy.
Well, bye.